This is Chris, 24K on Instagram and 24K on Twitter. Today I'm showcasing the Stage Hero5 True Wireless Earbuds from Coolme. And here is the container. This is where they go. Right there, has a cool red design inside. And then on the back is the pairing button, so you press and hold that. And then you get a connection light here to connect to your phone. And then these will pair inside the case. And this is what they look like. I've been using them for the last couple of days, and I can definitely say the bass is very nice from these. Definitely better than a lot of these lower priced headphones out there on the market. You can tell the design is a little bit better for audio quality. This little bump here, you get definitely more sound out of it. And here's some more details about the earbuds. So I definitely heard more of a premium sound from these than most of the cheaper premium quote headphones on the market, especially on Amazon. You can use them in stereo mode or in one at a time, so it has a dual mode. They're definitely comfortable. I wore them for several hours at a time when I was using them. 60 millisecond low latency, which is nice. 40 hours of playtime with the case, and 10 meter range, which is pretty basic for Bluetooth connection. I definitely liked the sound. It says hyper bass. It's definitely banging sound out of these for sure. So if you like a lot of bass, you like clear mids and highs, the Hero5, the Stage Hero5 from Coolme is a nice option, and you can get these now. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate thumbs up, and of course, positive comments are great. Thanks.